first clip here, I am showing you that I am pouring the first initial layer of resin. In total, there are 3 different layers, and right now I am just separating the holographic sticker from its paper backing. And now I'm going to press it directly onto the resin that I just poured, and use my silicone popsicle stick to press all the bubbles out from underneath it. It also pushes the sticker to the front of the Trinket tray, and the weight of the resin will hold it down. Here I'm just repeating the process so that I can do the same thing with the holographic crab sticker. And now I'm going to place these little tiny cute seashells into this first layer of resin, and we're actually going to let this layer cure a little bit. And the reason is, if we were to add alcohol inks to this right now, it would probably, one, it would cover your holographic stickers, and it would also cover the shells. So when I use inks and inclusions, I like to do it in many layers. It has been about 4 or 5 hours now, and the first layer is pretty much cured. So I'm going to pour my second layer of clear resin, and I'm going to start the alcohol ink process. So I don't really have a particular method whenever I'm doing alcohol inks. I just saturate the surface with the colored ink, and then I go back with my little white bottle that has a needle tip applicator tip, and I just drop it all over where the color is. From personal experience, I really need the needle tip applicator on the white bottle because it prevents the ink from sinking super fast and leaving giant white globs all over your piece. I like to go back over my previous colors, especially when the really dark spots, because it pushes the ink down to the surface of the Trinket dish, and that is what creates those really cool drips and funky textures that alcohol inks are known for. It also creates a smoother blend between colors. So like that darker blue and the teal and the kind of green ocean color, they will blend better the more white you add. Sometimes for whatever reason the ink will kind of run away in certain spots, so I decided to go ahead and add more color here and right here where it's starting to become bare, and that's just so I have full color on the bottom and there's no missing spots. Now I'm just going to watch it blend, make sure that no more little clear spots come up, and if I do, I'm going to add more ink. I'm also noticing some darker spots come up again, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few more white spots all over, and all that's going to do is create more wave-like texture in the inks. It's been another 4 to 5 hours, and while the ink is still sticky to the touch, I like to add a clear layer of resin, and the reason is it just helps stabilize the whole piece, and it helps protect the ink from scuff marks. I really like the added touch of the shells. A couple of them shifted, but I think overall it looks super pretty. And like I said, I'm absolutely in love with these Let's Resin holographic stickers. For whatever reason, the sticker on my jellyfish was a little frosty, but you can still see all the really cool alcohol ink details behind it. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial, and I really hope this inspires you to try alcohol inks in your next resin project.